Hello, everyone. If you're on the lookout for ways to make money online, you've stumbled upon the right video. Today, we're going to explore 7 proven and accessible methods that can help you generate income from the comfort of your home. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a student, or just someone looking to diversify their income streams, these strategies could be your ticket to financial freedom. So, without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Affiliate marketing. First up, we have affiliate marketing. It's one of the oldest online money-making methods, and here's how it works. Instead of selling your own products, you promote products from other companies through your web presence, be it a blog, social media, or a website. The key is to choose a hot affiliate niche market with many potential customers. Create valuable content, identify trends, and when your audience clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's a low-risk, high-reward venture that allows you to avoid the hassles of product creation and customer service. Number 2. Selling on major platforms. Now, let's delve deeper into the world of selling on major e-commerce platforms. Amazon, eBay, Etsy, and Craigslist offer an incredible opportunity for aspiring online entrepreneurs. What sets these platforms apart is their established user base, reaching millions of potential customers. For instance, Amazon, with over 2 million sellers, handles 40% of all online sales. The convenience doesn't stop there. Amazon even provides fulfillment services, streamlining the order-to-delivery process for you. By leveraging these third-party sites, you tap into a trusted ecosystem where customers are more likely to make purchases compared to an independent website. eBay, on the other hand, brings the excitement of auctions into the digital realm. While you can set fixed prices, the auction system often leads to bidding wars, increasing the value of your listed items. Etsy, a haven for the crafty, focuses on unique, handcrafted items, boasting 1.5 million sellers globally. And let's not forget about Craigslist, a veteran in the online marketplace scene, providing a straightforward platform for listing and selling items. Though fees exist, ranging from 99 cents on Amazon to 20 cents on Etsy, the exposure and ease of setup make these platforms an excellent starting point for your digital career. Number 3. Blogging. Now let's talk about the timeless art of blogging. If you enjoy creating valuable content on a regular basis, you can attract like-minded individuals to your niche. By sharing free, targeted content, you lay the foundation of trust with your audience, fostering a sense of connection that goes beyond mere readership. The beauty of blogging lies in its versatility for monetization. As you become a trusted source in your niche, avenues such as ads, affiliate links, and product/service promotions open up. Each piece of content you create is not just a post, it's a building block in the foundation of a relationship with your audience. Regular updates are the lifeblood of a successful blog. Whether it's insightful articles, captivating videos, or other engaging content, the key is to keep your platform dynamic. This not only keeps your existing audience engaged, but also acts as a beacon for new readers. Number 4. Become a virtual tutor. Let's explore another exciting avenue for making money online: becoming a virtual tutor. In a world where education is highly valued, virtual tutoring provides a valuable service, making it a sought-after and rewarding online venture. Whether you're a certified teacher or someone with specific expertise, this opportunity allows you to help learners improve their grades and excel in exams. The key to success in virtual tutoring lies in your teaching experience and subject-specific certifications. These credentials not only enhance your credibility but also instill confidence in both parents and students. Before diving in, it's crucial to research your target audience and select topics that align with your expertise, ensuring you feel confident in your teaching role. Virtual tutoring offers a versatile platform where you can employ various teaching methods to engage your students. From interactive activities and slides to storytelling and gamification, you have the flexibility to tailor your lessons to suit individual learning styles. This dynamic approach not only makes the learning experience enjoyable, but also enhances the effectiveness of your tutoring services. Number 5. Your own YouTube channel. Ever thought about starting your own YouTube channel? It isn't just a platform for entertainment, it's a thriving space for creators to share valuable content and make money. Consider the success story of PewDiePie, who made over $15 million by simply filming himself playing video games. The good news? You don't need millions of viewers to start earning on YouTube. Begin by setting up your YouTube channel, your content's home. Consistency is key, so upload videos regularly, ensuring they are high quality and provide useful or entertaining content. You don't need a professional camera. A smartphone will suffice initially. To boost your channel, share your videos on social media, embed them on your blog, and actively engage with your audience. Monetization comes into play by allowing YouTube to include ads in your videos. The more views your videos attract, the more revenue you generate. Importantly, you don't have to appear on camera. Many successful YouTube channels thrive on screen capture videos or tutorials, offering diverse content without the need for a physical presence. So, if you have a passion or expertise to share, starting your YouTube channel could be the key to a new digital frontier. Number 6. Selling eBooks. Now, let's immerse ourselves in the world of selling eBooks, a digital frontier where traditional publishing norms are being reshaped. eBooks have become a significant player, representing approximately 20% of all book sales in the U.S. Thanks to the internet, you don't need to be a large publishing house to participate. As a solo internet entrepreneur, you can sell eBooks directly from your website or leverage well-established platforms like Amazon. Imagine having a collection of your own written works or even repurposing public domain content. Upload your ebook to your website or seller account on Amazon, and you're ready to embark on your journey as a digital author. But here's the key: don't stop at just uploading. Actively publicize your ebook across various channels. Leverage your social media platforms, email lists, blog, and website to create a buzz around your literary creation. The beauty of selling ebooks lies in the passive income it can generate. Once your ebook is out there, it can continue to attract readers and revenue over time. With the right marketing strategy, you can turn your passion for writing into a sustainable online income stream, all while contributing to the evolving landscape of digital literature. Number 7. Develop apps. Last but not least, we have app development, a realm dominated by smartphones and endless possibilities. Whether you're an iPhone enthusiast or an Android aficionado, the app market is vast, catering to diverse needs and interests. The beauty of app development lies in its potential to address a specific need, turning your innovative idea into a digital reality. You might not be a programmer, and that's perfectly fine. As the idea person, you can hire skilled developers through platforms like Upwork to bring your app to life. The cost may vary depending on the complexity of your app, but with the availability of programmers at reasonable rates, turning your app dream into a reality is more achievable than ever. Consider this: your app could revolutionize how people store photos, organize podcasts, or meet any untapped need in the market. The key is to ensure your app caters to both Android and iPhone users, maximizing your potential customer base. With a well-executed app, you not only tap into a massive user base, but also contribute to the ever-evolving landscape of mobile technology. So, if you have a light bulb moment, take the plunge into app development. The next frontier of digital innovation awaits. And there you have it: 7 easy ways to make money online. Whether you choose affiliate marketing, e-commerce, or YouTube, the key is to find what aligns with your interests and skills. The internet has opened up endless possibilities for anyone willing to explore them. So, which method are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching.